Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC, who knows me best, girlfriend or best friend. Let's get into it. Ooh, this should be good. Hey MH.
Changes it.
But wait, but you just started getting barbacoa because of me. You always used to get steak and chicken.
Like I put you on the bar. I've been eating barbacoa since college. You met me in college? Okay.
Who is it?
What? That's what I'm saying. That's why you shouldn't stop talking to niggas for a year. Yo. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Clarence NYC back with another video. As you can.
Wait, first of all, I like to say, hey, what's up, Petty fam? Clare is in the house. He already started. I love it. Okay, Petty fam, Clare. I see you, boo.
See from the title, today's video is gonna be very interesting. We got Mod right here. We got Queen right here.
Hey, Mod. Oh, I love Mod. I love seeing Mod in these videos. I'm so happy they back together. And then also, Queen, what's up, sis?
And we're gonna have a little competition right now on who knows me best. Okay, you know what I'm saying? You guys are some of the closest people to me. Okay. It will be very hurtful if one of you guys lose.
Whoever loses, it's gonna be hurtful.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Queen, somebody gonna lose. He just gonna take it either way. He like, I'm gonna be mad at somebody at the end of this show. Come on, y'all. Who y'all vote for? Y'all go ahead and put it in the comments now. Put it in the comments now. Don't be cheating. Let me know who you voting for. You think mine got it because he got longer experience with him, minus a year, or you think Queen got it because Queen his boo, his love, his wifey, and she live with him, and she have his kid. And they know each other. They see each other every single day for the longest. So who y'all got?
Whoever loses, it's kind of really giving you don't know me. You know what I'm saying? Got a little penalty. Whoever loses has to get in the shower with their clothes on, like how we did before when we was in that red hotel room.
You get in that shower?
I have no choice.
Look at Patty's long john.
Got my ass sheet. Let's do this, Patty.
He like he evolving.
You gotta get yourself angry, bro.
Okay, agree. But bro, don't you think it's more detrimental if
Petty. Oh my gosh. Get in the shower. Oh my gosh. Who you think gonna take the shower this time?
Queen doesn't win? Like, we can still be good if I don't win.
But shake it first.
Shake right now. Come on. But like, we could be good if I don't win though. Close it.
I can't get in there. I'm gonna get sick.
Like, we could be good if I don't win, right? I mean, that's tough. I've known you longer.
You hot?
Too, at the same time. I'm a little hot. That's crazy, but that's because I ran out to live with you every day. Anyways, I have a series of questions.
Ask me no basketball
questions. I have a series of questions that you guys are both gonna answer at the same.
He gonna ask basketball questions, sis.
Time. You know what I'm saying? You guys gonna have time. I do not have two whiteboards, so if one person gets the whiteboard, one whiteboard. Here, you get whiteboard and you get Chase private client book.
Mom, why did I laugh?
Because this is where I'm headed. Chase private client. Okay, so holla at me, Chase. Let's get started. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Ready? I'm ready? Ready.
Yep.
I got the questions written down on my phone. First question is, who is my favorite basketball player that is still playing?
Don't ask me no basketball player. Who is your basketball player that's still playing?
Yes, that is still playing. You guys both wrote the answer? Yeah.
Yeah, but okay. I told you don't ask me no basketball questions.
So, alright, you guys flip it on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
No, what you got? What?
Can you guys show me?
Oh, dang.
Queen said LeBron James. Mine said Kyrie Irving. They're both wrong.
What?
It's Stephen Curry.
What? Man, what?
The hell? I showed Stephen Curry. What kind of
Curry with them threes.
Skins
no.
Shit, are you
serious, man?
What?
That don't count, bro. You ain't never.
It's okay.
Never
Nah, we'll both take the loss, but are you serious? You don't even play like that.
It's Stephen Curry by ass.
I do play like him. No, you don't. You play more like who I'm talking about.
Well, I had a good guess because I know that LeBron.
No, LeBron James not a good
guess. It was Kobe.
Nah, he doesn't like LeBron. I know that. I like LeBron. Nah, but that's my man's. Yeah, it's not.
No, but it was just that he beat Kobe's record, right? So I was thinking that.
Pack him up, bro. Pack him up, bro.
Okay, so it's Curry's crazy. It's 0 0 right now.
Harvey Urban?
That was
Okay, second question. You guys ready?
foolishness right there.
No, I'm not, but go ahead.
I walk into Chipotle. What is my exact order? Go ahead.
What?
You guys both have been with me in Chipotle long enough. I go into Chipotle, what do I order? And let me just say this. Do not leave out anything. How do I get it? Because I get it the same exact way every time. I'm talking about down to everything.
Dang.
Hold on.
Okay.
I know you be getting some. Nah,
I'm the same way. I like my order a certain way. Not as sophisticated as Claire's though. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm plain Jane when it comes to orders.
I said out loud.
Yeah, you gonna help her.
Yeah, I can't say it.
I think you get like everything except for one thing. You probably get 2 different meats.
So how you guys' day going right now? Comment that right now in the comment section. How
Claire, oh my gosh, you so sweet, bruh. Okay, how y'all day going? Also, by the way, I'm gonna be like Claire, but my day is going great, Claire. Thank you so much for asking. I'm chilling here. It's me and my petty fam who I love dearly, and we're watching this. We're really enjoying this. We happy to see Mod. We love seeing Queen. We love seeing these interactions. I even love the beanbag cheers. I'm with you, bruh. Okay, I hope you're having a good day too, Claire.
how's your day going? I would love to know. And comment right now your Chipotle order when you go to Chipotle, because you know I'm open to other orders. Just saying.
All right. Are we done?
Oh no, bro.
Yeah, we go.
Do you got your order written out?
No, I have it in my head.
All right. Can I go first?
Go ahead, bro.
Are you done?
You can't write. Your pen gotta stop right now, sis. I better not see you add nothing.
No, yeah. Once he starts talking, you can't add anything else.
All right.
Just no. Once you say you're done, you're done. Are you done?
It might be one more thing on there.
Are you done?
Don't force me to be done.
I'm just saying.
Are you done?
We're on
under
the clock
time.
here.
We're under time.
Yeah, we're on the clock. Right?
Just go, bro.
We're done.
You done?
So you're done. Yep. She's
Just
done.
say you're done.
Just go.
No, say you're done.
Yeah.
You're trying to add these technicalities to the game.
Say you're done.
No, I'm not done.
So hurry up.
Is she on her phone?
No.
No, she's not.
I see light on them glasses.
I'm gonna give her 1 more minute.
One more.
No. Give me like
15
more.
seconds.
No, I said 30 seconds.
15.
20 seconds. Let's meet in the middle. 1,
It's just.
2, 3,
Mississippi.
4.
I'm just add something for the hell of it.
All right.
Hey, I know you get the white rice.
Mm-hmm.
Then you get the chicken. Then you get the barracuda shit. Whatever that is.
Barbacoa.
Yeah, that
Son's going crazy.
Yeah.
He's 3 for 3.
Then you get the
No.
Her face. She didn't put the barbacoa.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to say it out loud because I know.
No.
He gets the barbacoa shit. I know he
Okay,
gets
whatever. You got this.
Good.
Then
You could get it wrong
Then
too.
he gets the barbacoa. He specifically always skips beans. And then
This kid's on fire.
you get the cheese on top. You get the corn.
No beans on my order either, Claire. See, that's my pool. Hey, Claire, we almost the same.
You get the salsa and medium salsa.
Good. I'm not gonna tell you if you're wrong or
And
right
then
yet.
honey vinaigrette. I don't think you get lettuce. I think you get like spinach.
Dude, what's your answer? What do you have written on there?
Lettuce.
It's wrong. Yours wrong. You're doing good though. What's yours?
You don't got barbacoa, so we get
I got
barbacoa.
rice, no beans, half chicken, half steak, cheese, sour cream, lettuce, vinegar, honey vinaigrette, and pico de gallo.
Yeah, you guys both got it wrong, man. You close though.
I'll break
But
up
wait,
the-
but you just started getting barbacoa because of me. You always used to get steak and chicken. You only got barbacoa
Babe, I've been doing
because.
this for wow.
Hey.
So I get the point.
Like I put you on the bar. I've been eating barbacoa
No, you didn't put me
since
on a barbacoa.
college.
Oh my god. No, you did not put me on a
Let's just-
barbacoa. I put you on a barbacoa.
No, you didn't.
so I
It's a
get
quesadilla.
You met me in college? Okay.
Clarence, I've been eating
Alright,
that.
so let me say my order. I go bowl.
The petty Claire. Don't do her, Claire.
White rice, no beans, chicken, barbacoa. I go the medium salsa, then I go no lettuce.
See, I said it's too meat though. I said that. I didn't think white rice. I don't like the white rice. I like the brown rice.
I don't do lettuce.
Oh, I knew it was
And no corn. I don't do corn.
I don't like the corn. I don't like the lettuce either.
And
Do you do pico de gallo though?
That's what I said. That's the salsa, the pico de gallo.
Yeah.
And then I do sour cream,
Yeah.
no cheese.
I
And
think-
then I do 2 vinaigrettes and yeah.
So I think I'm closer.
I do cheese.
You are closer.
Wait.
But you guys both got it wrong.
Wait, but you do got lettuce on yours, right?
Yeah, he got lettuce and
But
corn.
you also got corn, and I don't have corn.
But you got steak, and he don't.
Bro, but you always used to
I don't
get
get the
steak.
steak no more, I'm telling you.
So we
Oh,
both,
no more.
so
That
we both
don't
gonna
count,
get, so
bro.
now we
Yeah,
both
there's no one
is
gets
supposed
That
to.
don't count.
All right, so next question.
This is crazy.
How you gonna ask your exact order, bro?
This should be
that's
quick.
wild.
Who's my favorite rapper?
Can't wait to do
I
mine.
know that.
Who's my favorite rapper?
Ooh, rapper or artist? That's a good question. Who's your
Who's my
favorite?
favorite artist?
What?
Okay. Now, also, Queen said she can't wait to do hers. So hopefully we see you soon, sis. I want to see Queens Who Knows Me Better.
That changes it. That opens it up.
Yeah, I guess it will. Who's my favorite artist? Like, I feel like I put this in here like as a gimme. You know what I mean? This should be easy. Like, so far, guys, my friends don't know me.
That's not
You
true.
guys are 0 and 2.
Oh,
They don't know me.
Because you wouldn't know my order.
I know your order.
No, you don't. All right, come on.
You get a barbacoa
All right.
quesadilla.
Queen got you that time. She said, what's my order then?
No. Say that.
Okay, what we doing?
Right.
What's the answer? You go first.
Ready? Let's turn.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
You late.
Let's just say it. How about you guys say it
No.
and show it?
I want to no, because I've been saying first.
All right,
You said
we're gonna say it at the same time.
Go ahead. 3, 2, 1.
Drake.
Meek Mill.
Bro, you lie.
She got it right.
Bro, that's why I said rapper and artist is two different things.
Drake's not a rapper. They're both
Drake,
artists.
your favorite rapper is Meek Mill, though.
They're both artists.
Who's your favorite rapper?
Drake.
That's a fucking lie. That's a fucking
You're letting me
lie.
down, man.
You know, you're letting me down, because that's a lie.
He just switched up.
You said
probably.
favorite. You didn't say who you thought was the best. You said your favorite. Meek is your favorite. I'm your
He's one of my
man.
favorite.
No, this is crazy.
Drake is my favorite rapper.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This is crazy.
Drake is my favorite rapper.
Yo,
He's bugging. And I
bro.
feel like they got that too. They knew that.
Bro, because it's like, bro, Kanye. Like, there's a lot of people.
I like
that
Drake.
fit.
I like Drake better than Kanye.
Nigga dap you up in the club one time. Twice in it, twice.
Look, I had to laugh about that one.
Twice.
Yo, this is
My
crazy.
man.
Alright.
My man.
So that was one. There you go, Queen. That's crazy.
Okay. I got one. What's the first sport I ever played?
Alright, can we just say it out loud? 1, 2, 3.
You ready?
No, both of us gotta say the same time.
Right. 3, 2, 1.
Baseball.
Wrong.
What?
It was football. Football was my first sport that.
No,
My dad is-
no.
Oh, your dad.
But you know what? Because they got the Pee-wees. Yeah, the little, I guess it could have been Little League with baseball, but I could see him playing like Pee-wee football.
Oh, no.
Your dad was mad nice
No,
at
baby, you
baseball.
told me
Yeah.
No, you told
Yo,
me
this is
that-
crazy. Now it's like, bro, have you been lying to us?
You
listen.
lied.
No, listen.
You
Bro,
lied.
how am I gonna lie? I'm telling the truth.
No,
Baseball is the second sport I've ever played. Football was the first sport I've ever played.
you've
I played.
never
Yeah, y'all
spent
see
a day in
clearly
your
we
life.
know
I
him.
played 2 years of football, bro.
It's because
quarterback.
we know you too well.
Yeah, like
You
you guys are going.
You never said that a day in your life.
Yeah, we just know you too
You
well.
ain't never said you
Okay.
played.
I think that's what's going on. We know you too well. Like, you don't even
So
remember anything.
1 to 0. Mine has 0.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Yeah, this one's a lot harder than the last one we did. All right, y'all ready for the next one?
Yeah, but I remember you
What?
saying.
What is my favorite season?
Oh my God, you never said that.
This one's
Never
harder.
said
I'm telling you,
that.
this one's
Never
harder.
said that.
But if you know me, like if you.
Okay, now come on, New York. I'm gonna say winter or fall. One of those two. I'm gonna go with winter.
You guys love me and know me, you guys should know. Like,
It
I'm
has
not
to
gonna
be
lie.
between two
Don't
seasons.
just write it down or just say it.
I don't know.
Damn, your favorite season, bro? Adobo?
Season.
You got Queen laughing. Mine, you was a nut. You are a whole nut. That was funny.
You see how my friends be? They don't take anything serious. And the crazy part that like we're doing this because we're all friends, but this is like really my girl and my brother. Like, and you guys are getting everything wrong.
Bro,
Man, that's what you're asking.
Yeah, yeah, and you're-
Ridiculous
yeah,
this
question.
is wild.
You're asking
This
us,
is ridiculous.
Like, you're asking
I
us to read context clues about
I
you
can't
now.
ask questions that I asked in the last one. That's what made this one so hard.
Bro, we feel you, but like you're asking like context clues questions. Like, we've heard you say your dad is mad nice at baseball, then you get mad at us for saying baseball was your first sport. It was his. He was nice.
Oh yeah, okay.
All right, man. I'm
What's
just
my favorite
guessing this
season? You
one,
guys ready?
bro. I'm just guessing.
Go ahead. 3, 2, 1.
Fall.
Spring.
Fall.
Yeah.
Dang, I put autumn first and erased it. But it's because
it's right where he could get a little flea and put clothes
bro,
on.
He likes shorts.
No, but you know
he loves the summer, but you.
He loves shorts, but he just grew up north, and so that's how I knew it had to be the fall or winter. But I guess wrong. So mine got it. He finally got on the board. Mine. So now it's 1-1. Okay.
I get hot.
I
want to put on.
No, but that's why I picked spring because summer's too hot.
Spring still be hot though.
Damn, I put autumn first.
1-1, sis.
I should have had my first mind. I put
1-1,
autumn.
sis. Yeah.
But you know what? And that's why he always want to go back home during the winter. Y'all notice that? When it's snowing or it's fall almost, he always go back home in the season.
I didn't put autumn at first.
Look, I put Drake with Meek Mill. I just said Meek Mill out loud. How about that?
So you cheated. So next time we gotta show each other's our stuff.
Yeah, that's why I said.
No, I put Meek Mill,
Meek.
but I said Meek though, because I knew it was one of these two. But
bro,
I said
I
Meek.
swear on my life I put autumn first, y'all. Dang, I should have went my first.
It's alright, sis. 1-1.
Alright.
Get ready for the shower.
Alright, next
I'm
one.
not doing it.
Get ready.
Next one.
I'm not.
What's my favorite color?
Color to what?
Color. What's my favorite color?
Oh my god, bro. 3.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Black.
Green.
Bro.
Black.
Black is your
2-1.
favorite color?
2 to 1,
I
bro.
thought you were like an olive green guy.
It changes.
That's what I'm saying. He changes a lot.
That is crazy. Cause I know I'm not crazy for knowing that. At some
Bro,
point in your
olive
life, you
green
told
was
me
a
olive.
He changes a lot. That's true.
Very long
Bro,
time.
now I want to do
That's
it.
what I'm saying. That's why you shouldn't stop talking to niggas for a year.
Yo.
Because now you think niggas still on fuck.
Petty, boo boo. Petty fam, Claire is in the building.
Yo, 2 years ago, like that's what I'm saying. This thing is crazy.
But I really did put fall
Olive
at
green was
first.
like 2 colors ago.
I put fall at first.
Nigga stupid. Nigga, that's why you should've stopped talking.
Should've stopped talking to niggas. Like that shit might cost you a shower. Close on. Alright.
It's 2-1 right now?
Yeah, man.
It's 2-1. Yeah, you're down 1.
I can get back in this.
What's my favorite hood movie?
Oh, God.
It gotta be this. It gotta be.
I want to say Baby Boy or Friday, but I'm gonna go with Baby Boy.
This.
Dang, what if I can't think of the title in my head, but I know what it is.
Let's get it.
Whoa,
Remember? 3, 2, 1.
Pay the full.
You guys both got it right. So I guess
Pay the
both of you
full.
guys get a point.
Yeah, we're even. We stay even right there.
Y'all seen that? You know, I guess I'll be suggesting stuff. Dead Presidents is good. Lorenz was really good. The lead female, she was good. I forgot her name, but she was excellent. And Lorenz Tate, of course, was himself. Who else? Friday, Set It Off. It's a lot of them. It's a lot of them.
I could tell once I saw you
3-1.
write the double dash. I was
Yeah,
like,
I seen
she's
shit
locked
like
in.
that.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, she got the right end letters.
All right.
3.
It's 3-2.
Yeah, 3-2.
Okay, so a little tough one. We're gonna get a little tough.
So you need us
The
to give us
easy
some
ones,
time
yeah,
then.
the easy ones y'all got wrong. Like, so y'all
Because
probably.
we're overthinking the easy ones. The hard ones are right.
All right.
Like, can only do one thing.
What's the name of my oldest sibling?
What? Oh my goodness. What? Oh,
It's getting hot in here, guys. It's getting hot.
What?
Who the fuck is the oldest? You got some old.
Yeah.
Like your siblings is all big old.
Well, I'm the youngest,
Yeah,
so-
they all older than you, so it's like, what order are you?
I'm
putting
damn near 30.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know.
Because there's 2 of them. I don't know their age, babe. You can't do
Yeah,
that.
Bro, come on.
But the thing is, I know you're old.
You're helping. Just say it.
No, I'm just saying. I know both your parents.
All right, y'all. Here we go. So it's not Lee. Okay, that's what I think. It's not Lee. She got another name. I don't remember what her real name is. But I'm gonna guess, like, you know, because his mom is about whatever. So I'm gonna guess the oldest one might be from his dad, and therefore I'm gonna say 50.
oldest child, but I just don't know if
who's older. Though?
Yeah,
that's my thing.
Yeah, that's what I don't know.
That's a tough one. That's what I'm saying. It's a tough. Just write it down.
I'm about to go on Google real quick.
Yo, that's cheap.
No, you can't do that.
You can't do that.
You can't do that.
Okay, I'm about to say you was about to let it go. I had to watch you.
3, 2. Mine's down by 1 right now. This one's clutch. This could build the lead up to 4-2, which is gonna be hard to come back from.
No, I don't.
So this is a very interesting one, guys.
I don't know.
Who you guys think is gonna get this one right? Comment in the comment section right now. Favorite sibling.
He said favorite now. You changed the question. I think Mai is gonna guess on it. I don't think he know. I think he gonna get lucky.
Favorite sibling?
Oldest sibling. Favorite sibling is crazy.
Favorite sibling crazy.
I don't know the person's age.
Just go. You got it right.
Are we going 1, 2, 3?
Yeah, whatever.
No.
Ready?
I just gotta go based on stories. It's only 2 of your siblings have you have stories like where they was watching. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Are you ready? She's erasing. Yo, niggas, this one got niggas stumped.
Come on, queen. You giving her mad extra time.
Yeah,
All right.
10 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Leo. Leo.
What's your answer?
You can't say.
I put 2 answers.
No. Give me a thing. Give me a thing.
I put Lee. Dang. I put Lee. Damn it. I put Chayo at first. I put Chayo.
I'm like, those
I put Chayo. Bro, I put him twice and then erased it.
Those are the only 2.
Bro, this how I
Those are
know
the only 2 of your siblings.
I'm done. I'm about to
Those are only 2 of your siblings where you actually tell stories like as a child.
Bro, I swear I put Chayo.
Huh?
I put Chayo. I put Chayo, y'all. I did put Chayo. I
Word.
keep freaking erasing my stuff. All right, I ain't erasing no more.
All right, come on.
3-3. That's what I need.
3-3.
Talking about Leo.
Leo.
So many combined names.
Yeah, that was crazy.
For real, I really was like, forget it. I erased it. Dang, I should have stuck my first line.
I know it.
All right, tied 3-3. Yes. Things are getting interesting.
In here.
Okay.
Dang.
A few more questions.
But that's not fair. That's no fair. I don't know his age.
I didn't either. I just
guessed.
No, I had to remember stories.
Bro, but I just remembered it. Oh, he told you stories. He told me though.
You probably heard these stories.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
All right. Y'all ready for the next one?
Come on. Yeah, now we got family feud.
I just know Chayo had a black beard.
What?
He said now we got family feud. She said she remember Chayo when he had a black beard. I mean, Chayo turning gray now.
I mean, his whole family does. Like, they're like,
What is my favorite dessert?
Come on, bro. I do not live with you.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest, like, for real.
That's not fair, right?
It's not, man, honestly. But I'm gonna write a few down to figure out.
You should know that, gang.
Bro, I don't eat sweets with you. It's like, what the fuck? Like, am I eating sweets with you, bro? I don't even eat sweets by myself, let alone with you.
Ready?
I know CJ can answer that in Legend.
I got 2 down. And I'm gonna say just like maybe one of them.
I'm gonna just try to throw something out there. Hopefully this works. Alright, let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Pistachio ice cream.
Those are both wrong, bro.
Banana
Yes,
pudding?
is that my favorite ice cream? Yes. Nigga, cookies. Like, I'm cookies.
Bro, you're a liar. I talked to you the freaking other.
Thank
bro,
you.
I swear, he said ice cream on some real stuff that you changing too much. Like,
Bro.
You know what, y'all? When I think back to Tub Time, y'all remember them videos that he did? He used to have his snacks lined up in the tub. I miss those. Claire, sweetheart, if you're watching this, please give me another Tub Time. I used to love those videos. I used to love them. Anyway, so I never saw him with no ice cream. Maybe he had some. I don't know. Maybe he had it in the carton and he was in and out of it. Now that I think about it. But I saw candy. So I would have thought candy. I don't remember no cookies. What kind of cookies do Claire like, y'all? Y'all let me know. Comment below.
it was always ice cream. You order
flavor.
ice cream. You order ice cream.
And I picked the right
Yes,
flavor.
you do.
Pistachio
Yeah, for sure.
ice cream. Like,
Bruh.
That's my favorite ice cream.
It's not cookies. Clarence, you eat.
But see, you know what? He be going out them sexy places with Queen, you know. They ain't got no cookies at no fancy restaurant. You can't be getting no order of cookies. So he gotta get the ice cream.
Ice cream way more than cookies.
No, I don't.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I don't even think.
Babe,
like,
when's the last time we made cookies? When's the last time we made
Like,
cookies?
do we even go out?
What? Babe, you order ice cream. You,
Like, are we
you be
even
ordering
together?
Ben and Jerry's.
I do not order Ben and Jerry's.
yo, bro.
Or you be ordering ice cream, babe.
I'm not gonna lie. I feel you, Queen. There's a few that were iffy for me too.
I get you ordered the crumble cookies a couple of times. Does that mean that's your favorite?
But that's just crumble, babe. I love Oreos. I love chocolate chip cookies. I love like
Sorry, no, you never express. You need to express yourself more. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
People are finding out
So
bad things about you.
Is it still tied up?
Yes, it's still tied up.
Okay.
Because we're both wrong.
Cookies. Toss some cookies.
I even put in the detail pistachio ice cream.
That was a good guess. I ain't gonna lie. You was more detailed than me.
That's what I'm saying. I know
you
it was
just
something with a
changing
P.
up. You know what it is, babe? You about to be.
They both getting mad. They teaming up against you, Claire. They got more in common.
30, so your taste buds is changing. Like
you're 30. You really.
I think
he's
really,
really.
like you.
He's evaluating his whole.
See, that happen when you get older, though. Your taste buds change. What you used to like, it changes.
30 years of putting it together.
Y'all ready for the next one?
Yeah.
What's my favorite white movie?
White movie?
Not show. Movie.
Yeah, we know you love Seinfeld.
It's Friends.
Well, my fault, my wigger. My wigger.
I
Your
don't
favorite
know.
white movie?
This is tough. I'm not gonna lie.
This
This is
is
a tough
tough,
one. This
'cause
is tough
it's a
because we don't
couple.
really watch white movies together. Neither of
You
us.
grew up white though.
Okay, bro. I grew up Americanized. I wouldn't say white.
No, like I'm just saying like you wasn't watching like Martin and shit. That's what I mean. Or Friday.
I watched Martyr more later in my life.
I got it.
You ready?
You said first this time.
No.
Did you already pick your answer?
I got
Yeah.
2 answers.
But you gotta say one.
Alright.
3.
No. You go first.
I'm gonna go
No.
first.
3, 2.
No, you go first.
I'm gonna go first.
Go ahead.
Titanic.
Step Brothers.
Step Brothers.
I had that in Jump Street, but
Jump Street would have been crazy. Like what? Titanic is also crazy. Like,
Bro,
am I an emotional nigga? Like,
I'm just going with famous white movie at this point. I never watched the Caucasian flick with you.
Titanic.
Like we haven't sat back and been like, yeah, bro, let's get on our white shit today.
4, 3.
This is ridiculous. You only know that because y'all probably watched.
That is funny. And at least he didn't say the Notebook or something. You know, he didn't do you like the Notebook, Claire. Like, you know, everybody seen the Titanic at some point, but.
No, we haven't watched it together, have we?
That's what I'm saying. This is gonna be to this. I was picking questions that's tough for both of y'all.
No, it is. No,
Bro,
it's
but when do we talk about your favorite movie? Like, it's not even fair. Like, you probably had more conversations like that with your girl.
No, he don't actually. He don't ever like, yeah, babe, my favorite movie is.
You probably asked.
Ready for the next one?
Come on, bro.
I don't want to be a sore loser.
This is gonna be a tough one though.
Oh my god.
Please make it tough. It's
really tough.
Okay.
What's my greatest fear?
What?
What's my greatest fear?
What? I mean,
I got
babe.
You got it?
No, I don't. It's a couple of greatest fears you got.
You're trying to make me sound like a fearful man or something. Like what? I say it often. Like you guys should know it. I feel like you guys should know it, but it's tough.
It is very
It's
tough.
Don't just think surface level.
I'm gonna say something about some time, like running out of time, losing time, wasting time. Something I don't know why time is in my head, but I'm gonna go with that.
I'm gonna say. Are you ready though?
You gotta go first this time. What we about to say?
3, 2.
No. Queen, you be erasing stuff.
Right now it's 4, 3, right?
Yeah.
You ready? 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8.
What you said? Don't think
7,
surface level.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Not being successful.
Being a failure.
Not being successful. Failing.
I mean, I guess. I guess. But it's like
We both were
like
right.
I'm successful. Right?
No,
Like, so it's like,
no.
Doesn't mean that's not your biggest fear, bro. You didn't.
My biggest fear is not becoming who I think I am.
That counts, bro. We both get a point.
Bro, that's
Okay,
failing.
that's what I'm saying. So I give that.
Mine was failing.
Yeah, bro. 5-4. How many questions is left?
I can tell you right
So
now.
I can know what's my chances of winning this thing.
It's a couple.
Just a couple, just 2?
No.
Man, no. Come on. Let's just not
two.
do that. Let's just.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Where are we now? 5-4?
It's 5-4. Yeah.
Keep running them.
What's my favorite sneaker right now?
Got that.
Oh, that's not fair. You know I'm not good with clothes and things.
You know his favorite sneaker right now.
No.
Queen, you gotta give Queen a timer.
Yeah. 10 seconds. 10, 9,
Ooh.
8, 7, 6,
Ah,
5,
wait.
4, 3, 2, 1.
A6?
A6.
You guys both got it right.
Alright. Keep me in the loop. Yeah, 10-second timer, bro.
I always write down 2. I had the other one was New Balance, but
No, I know he loves the A6.
I love the A6.
It's about to get tough. What's my favorite cologne?
Bro,
No,
you act like
I
I'm
think
in the bathroom with you in the morning time. Like,
I know
this
your
is not
favorite
even
cologne.
fair. What's my favorite cologne?
The million shit.
Nope.
The gold shit.
Nope.
So what is it then?
It's my Valentino. That's the one I wear every time. No,
You probably changed that when we wasn't talking.
No, it's always been my Valentino.
Okay.
And before that, it was Chrome.
Okay.
Dang, I don't know.
Exactly. You don't know my favorite cologne just off the rip, but I do got Million though. I do got that.
Yeah, that's the shit you wear the most.
That's right. That's
Wait,
like my,
is it the
that's
one
like
that you
my
wear
non-special
most
occasion
now, or your favorite one of all time?
This isn't fair.
My favorite one now.
All right, 10
I don't.
See, that's a good clarification. See, I like Queen. Queen be thinking and she be clarifying, like, what exactly are you trying to get us to say?
Oh,
count
what
us
is it
down.
called?
10, 9, 8.
Bro, I don't know the
7,
name.
6,
It's 2.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Baccarat.
No.
3.
No.
Damn, what is that blue one
Louis
called?
Vuitton Imagination. Yes. That's the blue one.
But I didn't know what it was called, so I had to put Creed.
Well,
Okay.
Well, can I get that point since I said
No,
the blue
It's
one?
the same. No, it's the same. You
No.
didn't say. You said Creed first.
And
No,
you don't
no,
even
but
get the
I-
blue
but
one as an answer.
I
That's the thing.
didn't-
You can only answer because
No.
you see him spray himself in the
Yeah,
morning.
you should know.
No, that's not
cheating.
true. I don't know the title of it, so I couldn't write it down.
But I don't know he even has blue cologne because I'm not in the
Bro,
bathroom.
I knew that it was blue. I knew it was that one.
Nah.
But it's just,
Nah.
I didn't know the name. I should get that point.
There's 4 more questions left.
Bro,
Same
I should
score.
get that point. I said it.
No.
What is my favorite brand?
Oh my god. Brand of what?
Currently?
Knives?
What is my favorite brand right now? I got right now on it, so I'm gonna just do right now.
I don't know.
Bro, you
You
wear
got so
so
many. You
much
wear
shit.
brands all the time.
You see how my friends be sick of me.
And you shouldn't ask nothing about
Bro,
clothes.
yeah.
Like brand of food, brand of. I mean, we know cookies. You like Oreos. I want you gotta be more like brand of shoes, brand of like. He got a different shoe brand in his clothes and his pants and his shirts and his hats. You know.
Bro, you wear so much
I keep saying my
shit.
friends because we were friends first. But I
Yeah,
know
that's fine.
Bro, you wear so much shit.
she's like my best friend, yeah. And so is he. So it's like it's even.
Oh, I love you. I want to lick the bottom of your shoe. Just kidding.
This is some bullshit. Talking about you love him. You're just pissing me off with all these changes.
What is
No,
it? So
but
it's
also real
5-4.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
still losing.
Wait. Okay. Can we please get like a hint? Is it high end or low end?
No.
No,
please,
I
please.
can't give you that hint. I can't give you that hint. 10,
I don't
9,
know. I don't know.
8,
I don't
7,
know.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
New
Louis
Balance.
Vuitton.
New Balance.
It's not Louis Vuitton anymore.
Babe, you said they should sponsor you.
It's New Balance.
What the fuck? Are we fucking serious right
6-4.
now? Yo.
See, the high end or low end would have broke that question.
Yeah, that's why you would have known. If I would have said low end, what you would have said? Ma.
He's fed up.
I just finished making fun of my whole coaching steez.
Bro, I don't like nobody thinks it's a bad outfit. It's just like,
This
bro.
is what I wear the most. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, the shit.
What's
Louis
the
Vuitton
score?
is my favorite, yes. Upper.
What is it? What's the score?
It's 6-4.
No, it's not. It's 7.
No, it's
No,
Five.
it's 6-4. It's 6-4.
It's
I'm
7-5.
catching
I
up.
think it's
Keep it
7-5.
It's 7.5, babe.
Oh, I know it's
Either
just
way,
two.
it's 2.
It's
Yeah.
2, though. And there's
It's
2
3
questions left.
2 questions left?
Yeah, it's 2 questions left.
I thought there was 3.
No, there's 3 questions left. My
Yes,
fault.
come on, don't cheat for your girl.
Yo, shut up, bro.
Don't cheat for your girl.
Aw, we started as friends.
Bro,
I gotta change that last one.
Why?
Because I think that's it's gonna favor her.
Okay.
That's gonna
What
favor. It's
last
gonna
one?
favor you.
Bro,
Let's see
just
what
let it favor
the
me
score
then.
is for.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say that for last, and I'm gonna come up with like a bonus question or something. All right, so these 2 questions. These are tough ones.
Come on.
What is my mom's middle name?
Oh my goodness. Bro, I feel like you asked this before and I didn't freaking know it.
I think I did.
Gloria or something like that. I don't know. Do y'all know her name?
And I don't freaking remember.
You guys both got
Let me
it
make
wrong.
the phone
You guys
call.
were upset. No, you can't do that.
We don't know that.
10, 9.
No,
8,
you gotta give us more
7,
time.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know, babe. I don't know. What's my mom's middle name?
What is your answer, Mom?
Ashley.
You just put Ashley?
You said Ashley. What's your answer?
I don't have one.
Say what you got.
I don't have nothing.
No answer is an answer.
No, I put a first name and a last name. I do not know the middle.
Can you say it? What's your answer?
Patricia.
You have 2 answers, bro? You already said Ashley.
No,
You're done.
I'm just trying to get something.
I don't know.
Can you just guess? You're taking mad time.
Marie, I don't know.
Marie.
Sophia.
You guys are both racist.
Maria.
That's first of all.
Bro, how's Ashley?
Babe,
My mom doesn't have a middle name.
Oh, that's why it was empty in the middle. I told you I should have got that because I said I don't have one. And I said I don't have one. Bro, I swear you cheating.
6'4".
No, 7'5". And 7'5". I said I don't have one. I should have got that. I don't have one.
7'5".
I agree with her. She should have got that one because she don't have a middle name.
Come on, bro.
Meaning she don't have one.
All right, so you can fake tie this up. Like you said, there's 2 more questions.
If I get the next 2 right.
What is the cross streets of where I was raised?
Oh my God. I'm not in from New... Oh my God.
Come on, Mike. He's trying to hand it to you.
Oh.
St. Lawrence.
I just put St. Lawrence. That's it.
And Cozy?
No.
No. That don't match.
That's not a street. Cozy's just a corner?
Yeah. What's your answer?
Is it a number? No. That's in Manhattan.
I mean, either way, my loss. I don't even think I have to answer the final question.
What is it though? Can I know?
St. Lawrence and Randall.
Oh, I never freaking got that.
Fucking
I feel like that's
Randall, that's fucking right.
Oh, I was gonna put Soundview. I'm stupid.
He's not lying about that one.
Thank you guys for both participating in my video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you
Is it in?
I gotta go in the shower.
No, he has to go in the shower, bro.
Wait, do one more.
Make sure you guys, even if I do one more, it's 7-5. Make sure you guys smash that like button, leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe with the bell notifications on. And I love you guys, man.
Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys too. And I like this video, Claire. I want to see one with Queen. I want to see one with Mike. I want to see who knows about Mike.
Getting back to it, doing these videos consistently for you guys. And let's do it. My boy's about to get in the shower.
Oh my God.
That's back to back.
Take it off. Take it off.
Losses, my boy.
Oh, don't let him do it.
Oh my, that a 2-time loser, Pooh. Oh, Pooh Mod, he gotta do it again. Pooh Mod.
No. Wait, take your shoes off, bro. What are your shoes? This reminds me. Oh man. Sorry, Mod.
I'm sorry too, Mod. Pooh, baby.
JJM. Sorry, JJM. Wait.
Hey, big man. Pooh thing.
Niggas sturdy. Still doing. When does it end? Like, when does... I got you, gang. I got you. Hang on with this. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, man. What a sport.
Are you crying? I was crying in the shower.
When did we add the 10-second shit? What was we fucking 10?
Alright, I just need a favor. Just say, see you guys next video. Love you guys.
Love you guys. See you next video. Yo, I hate you, Clarence. This game is fucking stupid.
Wait, where you doing that at? Where you doing that?
I'm the rotten egg, guys. Look at me. Rotten egg.
Claire, don't try nothing.
I'm not about to do nothing on this thing.
Rotten egg, look.
Oh my God, it's a bird's nest.
You gotta pop it on your head.
You want to put on my bonnet?
All right, give me the bonnet.
All right.
Go ahead, get it.
Ooh, Mr. C. Let's do it, Mr. C.
Oh, stop calling me that.
Bro, you just like a high school gym teacher.
Mr. C. Woo.
Woo, Mr. C, you look clean today.
I'm good.
No, it's you. It's
Woo, Mr. C. Woo, Mr. C.
Like Mr. C. Oh, that's too funny. Mine is out of control, and Queen's laugh is so funny.
I ain't never seen no Air Forces that white.
I'm glad y'all get
tired.
to see.
I think I'm
Ooh, Mr. C.
Stop it.
I don't know why that's so funny. But whenever you see him, he just looks like that, like, woo, Mr. C.
Clean as a whistle.
Woo, Mr. C. Ooh, Mr. C. Clean as a whistle today.
Man, I love a good laugh. Straight from the deck.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the button, become part of the notification.